All right, so we're back again with a new review. Not a review. I think it will. There will be most opinions. Uh, opinions about this little crazy phone. That's a Huawei Lite P30 Lite. It's it's a very good phone, and it is a very good phone because it's very cheap. I've got it for free by renewing my subscription for about 9 months ago, and I've used it as the second device. Even if I have the Mate 20 Pro, I don't like that phone so much. If I have to choose between that one and this one, I'll take this one. And don't get me wrong, I do the most of things using the most of apps on my iPhone 11 Pro Max, and I don't play games. That to be from understood from the start. Uh, but of course, the apps, I bet you all know that the most of apps are much better on the iOS than on Android. That's my opinion, and I use that phone as primary phone. This one is the secondary phone I have. It's a dual SIM mobile phone. It has the fast charge, USB-C, jack stick, camera, fingerprint sensor on the back. It's the most perfect phone, if I can say it like that. And I do that because it's very convenient, just to press the button behind. It has the facial recognition also. It has the jack stick. It has three Leica cameras. I don't use the cameras so much, but the apps are okay. I use it the most for my Google Home. I have a Google Wi-Fi system in my home, and the features you can access from the Android app are better than those from iOS. So to be clear from the start. But anyway, you can go on Facebook, you can go on TikTok, that's no issue. The screen is in the perfect size, believe me. My iPhone has probably a little bigger screen, but it's a much bigger device, and it's much heavy. This one is so light, and it's so good. Uh, it has a plastic back, but again, if you are damaging it, you don't care. You get the screen protection on it from the factory, so that's again a good thing. I'll I'll be honest with you. I like this one more than I like the Mate 20 Pro, and I probably some of you outside that you'll be, yeah, angry on me and angry on those things I've told you about the Mate 20 Pro, and but that was my that was what I've experienced. That was my experience with the phone, and my wife's experience with the phone. She got called all the time. This one I've never used it with. I had a SIM card in it, when I was traveling, because I've used the dual SIM when I was traveling abroad. But I've never got a phone call from the Chinese scammers. But I think it has something to do. On this phone, I didn't gave Huawei a lot of information about me. I didn't logged in to all those things they're asking for. App gallery and yeah, health and all those. A lot of bullshit. They are trying to copy those the big ones. That I think that was what Huawei did all the time. They were good at copying others. And by the way, they got also some good phones, that don't get me wrong, but they were copying. This one is from, this gesture here is from iPhone. uh, oh, This one is from Android. Of course, it's an Android device. I think all of them they have it. But yeah, I think this is the best device you can buy if you want a cheap mobile phone. And I tell you that because the battery is okay, the sound quality is okay, the price is very okay. I don't know if it can be found more on the market, but go get this one. You know, it's so perfect. You get what you pay for, and you get a lot more than what you pay for, if you ask me. So yeah, this is the charger. I haven't took it out, and the headphones in there. That's a little book in here about all the things, and the phone comes in this plastic cover. But that doesn't matter, you know. The unboxing experience, as they call it, you know, after you've unboxed your things and then you start to use them, then that unboxing has no, I don't know, it has no reason. If you ask me, you get what you get, and when you, I don't think it makes you more happy to open a package than to use the product. You know, the package is a package. This is meant to be thrown out, of course, responsibly. But this one has this phone has the 128 giga of space, you know, and 4 gigs of RAM. Midnight Black, the model number. Oh, yeah, it's made in China. Yeah, it's a very good, a very good phone, and I'm telling you to go get it. It has the Android on it. You have the Google apps in here, so if you find it, go get it. It will last you for about 2-3 years without any issues, and even if you break it, you'll not care about, you know, you're gonna get a new one. So that was good about the Huawei. They were the only ones who were producing some phones on this with this kind of equipment, you know. You have everything for such a low price, so nobody was beating them. And even the chipset in it, you know, it was a good chipset. It is a good chipset. So let's take about the phone. That's a P30 Lite. You know, you have the build number. You have the Kirin 710. It's not the fastest from the Huawei, but it's not the baddest. So with the 4 gigs of RAM and with a lot of space, internal space, it's a pretty amazing phone, and why not to buy it, you know, if you want it. So yeah, you know, the prices are falling. The prices have always fallen very fast on Samsung and Huawei. So I don't know. I don't know why. It's also because they were. It's also because they are producing a lot of phones all the time. You know. So yeah, probably it has something to do with this. But anyway, it's 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 a good device, and I recommend you to buy it, or even get it for free if you can. So yeah. But that again is not the top of the line, and you are the one who chooses, and you are the one who's paying it. You are the one who knows if it's gonna be used in yeah, very heavy or something like this. So take care of you guys, stay safe, and have a nice day. Bye.